Hello student, class 9th, subject civics, chapter number 2, what is democracy and why democracy. Today this chapter I will cover. Topic to be covered, what is a democracy, next feature of democracy, in subtopic major decision of elected leaders, free and fair electoral competition, one person, one vote, one value, next rule of law and respect for right, and next why democracy, argument against democracy, argument for democracy, broader meaning of democracy. Student, firstly I tell you about what is a democracy. A simple definition, democracy is a form of government in which the ruler are elected by the people. Okay, but you know about the simple definition of Abraham Lincoln about the democracy, that people, by the people, of the people, for the people, जनता का जनता के लिए और जनता द्वारा चलाया गया एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ही क्या कहा जाता है, डेमोक्रेसी. नाउ वी डिस्कस अबाउट द फीचर ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. फर्स्ट, the ruler are elected by the people. Second, free and fair competition election are held. Next, each adult, irrespective of religion, education, caste, color, wealth, have one vote, one value. The elected rule take decision with limit set by constitutional law and citizen right. Next, rule of law. The right of citizen must be protected through constitution. Next, there must be an independent judiciary. Now, in the next part, we discuss about one by one and detail about. Firstly, I discuss about the argument against democracy. First, leader keep changing in a democracy. This leads to the instability. Means in democracy, always after 5 years, leader are changing according to the choosing of the peoples that vote cast in election. Second, democracy is all about the political competition and power play. There is no scope for morality. It means in democracy, all leaders are only their aim for anyhow they can win the election, which is moral or non-moral activity or illegal activity. These kind of things they can win the election and they want to win in election. Next, so many people have to be consulted in a democracy that it leads to delay. Thank you. Now, student, fourth topic, elected leader do not know the best interest of the people. It leads to bad decision. It means elected leader only think about their interest, not be people's interest many times. Next, democracy leads to corruption for it's based on electoral competition. In democracy, uh, in a democracy leaders leads to the corruption, because they have only one motto, that election in election only we uh, win in the election anyhow, that is legal or illegal manner. Ordinary people do not know what is good for them. They should not decide anything. Ordinary people not know about means many people are farmer, worker, labor. They are less educated, and they do not know about the what is the good for them, why we vote in election. This type of matter are created, that is democracy are fail in this issues. Next topic we cover argument for democracy. A democratic first A democratic government is a better government because it is more accountable form of government. Many countries prefer the democracy because democratic government makes work for maximum welfare of government, maximum welfare of peoples. Democracy improve the quality of decision making. In a democracy, all decisions taken by the majority of the people. That is why democracy improve the quality of decision. Next, democracy provides a method to deal with difference and the conflict. Democracy reduce the conflict, different community, caste and different kind of people, and they given chance to the all people, they can vote cast in election and they participate in election competition. Now next, democracy enhance the dignity of the citizen. In this matter, democracy enhance the dignity of citizen means कि every citizen of country have their own dignity and they live with their respect, and all government take a given respect to the all people without any differences or without any discrimination. Next topic, broader meaning of democracy. The most common form of democracy take in our times is that of the representative democracy, where majority is allowed to take decision on behalf of all people. The majority of people rule through their elected representative. Okay, a democratic decision involve consultation with and consent of those who are affected by that decision. Okay, next, democracy is a principle that can be applied to the sphere of life. Democracy can apply on the government or a family or any other organization. Means democracy is a kind of principle that apply anywhere, government, family and any type of organization that you run or that you participate. Thank you. Now student, firstly we discuss about the in detail about the democratic feature. First, major decision by elected leader. If we discuss about the Pakistan, in Pakistan, General Pervez Musharraf lead a military coup in October 1999 and overthrow the democratically elected government and become the president of country. In 2002, he held a referendum in the country which has based on the malpractices and the fraud granted him a 5-year extension. After passing law, legal framework order which uh, give the president power to dismiss the national and the provincial assembly election were held to the national and provincial assemblies. Now, student, in these cases, Pakistan had elected representative has some power, but the final power rests with the military, rest in military officer and the General Pervez Musharraf himself. So this should not be called a democracy, because all decision not taken by the elected representative. Okay. Now, next topic, rule of law and respect for right. Since independence, Zimbabwe ruled by the Genevieve. Its leader Robert Mugabe has been ruling the country. He is the popular but also use unfair practice in election. In Zimbabwe, Genevieve party government are administrated there, but they win in election unfair rule या illegal rule. Next, elections have been held regularly and always owned by Genevieve. Opposition party worker are harsh and their meeting disrupted. Public protest and demonstration against the government are declared illegal. Student, you can see in a democratic country that people have right to protest their government if they do any work about the uh, against the peoples. But in in dictator country or other non-democratic country, peoples have no right to the they voice against the government. Next, television and radio are controlled by the government and give only the ruling party version. Student, if we say that media is the fourth pillar of democracy, if the fourth pillar not work properly, the government work as a dictatorship. That is not fair for the government, not fair for the peoples, not government. Next, independent newspaper are there, but government harshes those journalists who go against it. The government has ignored some court judgment that went against it and has pressurized the judge. In this case, government is not a democratic government, because in democratic government, all part of government, that three part government, they are separated to each other. One person, one vote, one value. There are many instances, Daniel, of the equal right to vote. In Saudi Arabia, women do not have the right to vote. Next, Estonia has made it the citizenship rule in such a way that people belonging to the Russian minority find it difficult to get the right to vote. In Fiji, the electoral system is such that the vote and Each vote must have one value. Thank you, student.